Alright, today I'm taking a look at this rug that I recently purchased off of Amazon. I'm going to use it for camping. Actually going to use it inside of our tent, but you can use it outside as well. Stay tuned at the end. I'm going to show it all out of the bag and just show you how large this thing actually is. Really great how big it is. But like I said, we're going to use this inside of our tent, but it can be used outside. Water is able to pass through it, so you don't have to worry about water building up on top of it, which is extremely nice. What I would do when I am using it, I would actually put furniture or something on it to have it stay in place. It will move from time to time, so especially if you're using it inside, like I have it on my vinyl floor here later on, it would be moving in if there was nothing on top of it. So you got to make sure that you put some furniture on it, or at least that's what I would do to keep it from moving from its original spot. But it is nice that it comes with this nice travel bag, so that when we are done using it over the weekend, this weekend, like I said, we're going to be doing some camping, we can put it back into the bag. Also, when you have it sprawled out, I would put something on top of it to try and flatten it out. It does have very large wrinkles in it, obviously, from being folded up and inside this bag, but would simply just put something over top of it to have some weight on it to have it flatten out for you. But let's open up the bag and see what we have inside. It's got a nice zipper with the handles on the side, which is nice. And then you can see that it is just all folded up inside of here. Again, a very large rug, something that we're going to get a lot of use out of when we do our camping. We're going to put it in our tent, but you could have it outside as well if you want it for to put your shoes on or anything like that. Have your lawn chair setting on it would be something good. Maybe under your awning for your camper, that would be something that would be extremely nice. But definitely take a look at this product if you are interested in getting a new rug for camping, and stay tuned here for part 2 where I show it all sprawled out on the floor. Thanks. Alright, so you can see I have it in the nice bag here, nice and zipped up. Everything's all in there, but you have the rug. You just simply take it out. Like I said before, you're going to have a lot of creases because of how it's folded in the bag. For such a long time, I would just put some furniture or something heavy down when you're looking to use it, just to kind of get those out. But I was pretty surprised with how large it is, which is great. It's going to fit nicely inside of the large tent that we're going to have for camping. But very, very satisfied with how big it is and just kind of the texture of it, and would definitely recommend it.